Hello everyone, welcome in my channel how to do, and that is the part 2, manage panel. Okay, let's to start how to manage panels. There are lots of panels available in Animate CC, that is property, and lots of panels available in Windows section. So the first is essentials, and if you are a developer, then you can select developer and animators and any other panels would you like. Okay, so from the top right corner of your window screen is there, and you also create a workspace according you, but only you can remove that workspace that is created by you, or you can say the you can remove workspace is customized created, only customizable created workspace is removed. Okay, now come to the section is property panel. That is property panel is there, that is the default property panel, and this is the toolbox, and toolbox is divided into the two section, and you can say the two columns, one column and the two column, and the property panel also minimize that from this button. There is the transform. If you want to dock out from this panel, you can also select and drag your mouse pointer. If you want to put anywhere from this panel, okay, you can say the dock anywhere, but put carefully. Okay, so you do it. And you can dock anywhere your transform window. Okay, if you want to put in new sidebar, then you can do also. Okay, so you can resize these panel from your resizing arrow, minimize and maximize any panels. Now come to the section is document navigation. So these are the panels like timeline panels and property panel, transformation panel. Okay, so now come to the document navigation. So you can, if you want to edit any part of your picture or edit any part of your document object, so must to zoom out and must to zoom in. That is the document navigation. So zoom out is there in right side corner of 800%. If you want to fit in window, then you can clearly visible your object. Okay, select any object part and zoom out, then you can clearly working on your object. Okay, that is the 100%. And magnification, you can select view and magnification and center in stage. You can also do by using view menu. Okay, fit in window. Okay, that is the part. Now come to the other section and other part, that is preferences and the keyboard shortcuts. So preferences and keyboard shortcut, if you want to work with fast, then must to use the keyboard shortcuts. A preferences things I will cover in later session, but keyboard shortcut is required and necessary to cover this tutorial. Okay, because if you want to work with faster, then must to learn and must to remember the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, the preferences is there. The general properties of the documentation is 100 pixels, and the use interface, that is light screen and the dark screen of your Animate CC, if you want to change your preferences or the theme of the Animate CC, then you can select the preferences. You also change the background and the foreground of your Animate CC software by using preferences. Okay, and that is the part is keyboard shortcut. You can add a new keyword shortcut in in your options. There is also there, and you also remember the already given keyboard shortcuts. So if already is putting some keyword shortcut in their action, do not change it, and only remember this. Okay, you can manually add a new keyboard shortcut by using these options. Okay, if you put Z, there is already available, so do not change this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching my all other videos. Thank you very much.